If it's low in battery, she's gonna go back to the charger like this. You can see a red light, then she's going back to the charger. Now she's connected to the charger, she'll be charging for the longest she needs to. Then it's gonna be fully charged, and then she'll go out again on the program time, okay? She won't do it before. She normally will go out until she's programmed to go out. Unless you're doing manually and press auto, then she'll go out and clean. If you, for whatever reason, you press auto or move it out of the charger to go clean, it'll do what you want, but you have to do it with the control. But if it's just with the programming and you've set, the hour that you set, it's just gonna go out at that hour. If you have like the two or three times a day that she's supposed to go out, she'll do that. But in the case of this machine, she's programmed only to go out once a day. So every single day she goes out, she does her cleaning, then she comes back to the charger like the way she did right now. Okay, that's how she works. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.